Hello, this is Dustin Bain with EMAT, here to show you our new advancements for our EMAT Field Auditor application based on feedback from our current clients. So the first thing I'm going to show you is our new slide feature to access the settings panel. So all you have to do is slide to the right from any gray area on the screen, and you'll notice a nice sleek new look and design to that settings panel. If you'd like, you can tap on your name and add in a profile picture. And you'll also notice we've moved the feedback to its own line item in the settings panel. When I tap on it, a pop-up comes up and allows you to send us any information that you'd like us to address. The next new feature I'd like to highlight is we've added and extended the copy feature to the building level. So if you slide any of your line items to the left, you'll notice that you have a copy feature to copy a whole building all at once. And you also have the notes feature so you can quickly take notes for any object that you like. If we go into the building, you'll also see that we have the same features for all of our areas, so you can quickly copy a new area or quickly take notes for that area. And lastly, inside of the equipment, you also have that same feature so you can quickly copy equipment and quickly take notes for that equipment. Now, while we're on the area screen, you may also notice a little bit of a redesign here. So we've stacked the recently added blue button on top of the Add Equipment green button. And then we've moved the details icon that you used to have in the top right-hand corner underneath the name of the area. So you'll notice in the top left-hand corner where it says classroom and it's underlined, if I tap on it, that allows me to edit that name, edit the type of area, but it also has the tabs for details, light readings, images, and notes for that area. And the last addition to the mobile application that I'd like to show you is when you've entered into a piece of equipment and you've added data to that piece of equipment and then save it, not only do we scroll to automatically show you the last piece of equipment that you were in, but we highlight it in orange so you have easier navigation and know exactly what piece of equipment you were last editing. Now I'm going to go ahead and hop into the website for EMAT's Field Auditor to show you some advancements for the desktop application. Alright, so we've logged into our EMAT website and we want to go ahead and analyze the data that we've collected. We've added one new significant advancement. So if we go into our Test 8 building and we hop on over to our schedules, and go down to our HVAC schedule, you'll notice that we now have an Import Data button. This button is for those people who really like editing their data inside of an Excel spreadsheet, especially when you have large quantities of data. I've chosen this one today just to make it simple so you can see how it affects these two condensing units. So if I click on Import Data, it'll provide me a file that I can download. I simply open up the Excel file and I can start to fill in the data straight from Excel. So we'll put in a fake manufacturer, model number, serial number, year built. I'll go ahead and bring this down. And save our file. And then if we return back to EMAT, we can click or drag a file to upload it back in. So we'll select the file we just edited. And so you can see that the data that you edited in Excel is now inside of the EMAT software. Now, you also have the ability to add new pieces of equipment with this Excel file, but for now, you will have to have an area and a floor already designated. So for instance, if I took this dining area 1 and copied it down 2 times, and the floor, copied it down, then I could add new pieces of equipment as long as I know the exact names of the equipment. So for instance, I will add in a fan coil unit, copy that, add my quantities, put in a fake manufacturer, and model number. I'll go ahead and save it. Go back into EMAT, select the import data function, click to upload, choose that file again, and now you can see we have those new fan coil units added to our schedule. So that's a new feature that we've added to the website that will allow you to update equipment inside of Excel or add new pieces of equipment. Thanks for joining us today, and we will be in touch shortly with more advancements as we continue to provide the best data collection application on the market.